Hi comrades, yours KVS. On 28th November live session, some comrades asked the question, from whom the medical certificates shall be obtained for the grant of leave on medical grounds. Since this is a very pertinent question and many people are having doubt about the protection of medical certificates in cases of medical leave. Even in some cases, in one Odisha circle, in one division, one of our divisional secretary has been proceeded under the Rule 16 for submission of medical certificate from the RMP instead of AMA. What is the ruling position? Let us discuss about the ruling position at this juncture. For the government servant, whether he is gazetted or non-gazetted, who is the CGHS beneficiary and taking treatment at a CGHS hospital and also residing within the limits of the CGHS, at the time of illness, he should produce the medical certificate and also the fitness certificate only from the CGHS doctor. This is as per Rule 19(1). In case of officials who is not a CGHS beneficiary and he is proceeded outside the headquarters on duty or leave, etc., he can produce the certificate from the AMA, and in such cases, a non-gazetted government servant may produce a certificate from RMP also if there is no AMA available within the radius of 8 kilometers of his residence. This is as per Rule 19(2). In cases of a government servant, he may produce a certificate from RMP also if there is no AMA available within a radius of 8 kilometers of his residence. When a government servant find it difficult to obtain medical certificates or fitness certificate from CGHS or AMA, the leave sanctioning authority may consider granting leave on the basis of the certificate from an RMP after taking into account the circumstances of the case. So the RMP certificate that can also be taken granted by the concerned authorities if he is satisfied. In cases of hospitalization or indoor treatment and admitted in a private hospital, recognized under the CSMA rules, a government servant may produce MC or fitness certificate from the authorized doctor in such a hospital of his hospitalization or indoor treatment for a particular kind of disease for the treatment for which the hospital has been recognized. This relaxation is not admissible in case of any day-to-day or outdoor treatment or indoor treatment in respect of any other disease. This is as per Rule 19(3). So as per Rule 19(3), even the certificate can be given from the private hospital in case of hospitalization for some particular treatment. That is also permissible. So, if the official is residing within the CGHS area, he should produce a certificate from the CGHS. If it is not the CGHS covered area or the CGHS beneficiary going outside the CGHS jurisdiction, he can produce the certificate from AMA. And if there is remote possibility of getting certificate from the AMA, he can produce a certificate from the RMP that can also be accepted by the leave sanctioning authority. This is as per the existing rules of the CSMA rules and also the other subsequent orders received by the department. Thank you very much, comrade. Meet again.